I was appointed to advocate for the right of the Somali migrants out there who are stranded, who are in prison, who that do not have their rights respected. We know that our youth are going on very risky and irregular journeys, so that was the reason why. When people embark on an irregular journey and they get to the destination, they might go through a lot of problems. But now when they give, somehow say, it's enough, I want to go back home, they need to have extra care because they feel like, they failed their migration project. So this is the part of my program that, my task that I'm really much attached. Migration has been a natural process throughout, and it will be there. It has only to be managed, properly. It's not a danger, but at the moment is a danger for a lot of young men and women. So first of all, we need to tackle, the root causes of migration. Why are these young men and women living? That is something that we need to, as a society, we need to have a whole government and whole society approach on that. IOM is a UN migration agency, and we enjoy working with them as a team. It's like a family because I am myself a migrant. So when you see a symbol of IOM and you are a migrant myself, because I still consider myself a migrant, it is like an identity. It's that connection.